Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Dreams DIY. I am Soumya. In this video, I am going to make a shabby chic keepsake box from an empty cardboard package. So let's start from the very beginning. The papers that you are seeing here are printouts. I purchased a digital download file from Etsy.com and it was around $2 or something, and I got a whole bunch of shabby chic papers from them. I will provide the link to that shop in my description box, but you can use any papers that you have in your stash, any scrapbook paper, any A4 sheet printouts, whatever you have. I poured my matte finish Mod Podge on my cardboard box. Mod Podge is a very good glue, so it's not just used for decoupaging, it's also used for gluing something to something else, especially paper works very well with that. So I'm just cutting the edges of the paper and I'm pasting the paper on my box. I'm going to cover this entire box with papers. Amazon package boxes do not open in the way this box opens. They usually open from the top. But this box was like it was opening from side, so I looked at it and I was like, this is going to become a really cute treasure box or a keepsake box. To make a box like this, you don't have to have a box which opens from the side. What you can do is you can tape the two opening of the boxes together. So for the boxes that open from the top, you can tape them together and close the box, and then with your paper cutter knife you can make a cut at the side of the box to make an opening from the side. You'll get what I mean as we continue with the video. I'm applying Mod Podge to all the sides of the box and then pasting my A4 sheet printouts over them. So this is what I was talking about. The box opens from, it's like a flap at the top, so it opens from one side. So for the regular cardboard boxes which open from the top, like they have two flaps and they open like that, for them you can just tape the flaps together and then make a cut at one side so that they open like this one. The one you see here, the beige paper, it's from Michaels. It's for 99 cents and it has a lace pattern on it. It's very pretty. So I'm going to use this paper also in making this box. The white that you see here on the inside of the box, it's not a spill or anything, it's just modeling paste. I applied modeling paste at the bottom sides of the box so that there are no gaps between the lower end of the box and the side of the box. You can skip that step if you don't want to do that. I had this knob kind of a thing in my garage and I thought it would work well on this box. It's kind of heavy, so the best way to paste it on the box, it's not to hot glue it, although hot glue can also work. I used my modeling paste to stick this knob on the box because modeling paste is very strong and it works very good with this kind of thing. I got this lace out of Amazon and I'm pasting the lace now on the box, and these lace stars, I don't know from where I got them, but I had them. I will provide the link to this lace in the description box. A very pretty lace patch. I think I got it from a dollar store or from Amazon. Not sure from where I got it. These paper flowers are also from a dollar store. So I'm pasting the flowers here. This is a broken earring that I had and I kept it in my stash to use it for this purpose, but it did not stick properly on the knob, so you'll see that I'll be changing that. I'm placing the embellishments wherever they are looking nice. This rattan heart that you see here, it's not from Amazon. I got it from Dollarama on my Canada trip, but it is also available on Amazon, so I will be providing the link to it. These are just some pearls that I'm going to stick, and I had these magnets, so I'm going to make a magnetic closure on my box. I'm going to stick one magnet on the heart and one on the box. I had these magnets, but you can buy magnets on Amazon if you want to make a magnetic closure like this. This again is a resin embellishment. It's from somewhere, I don't know from where. If you have any embellishments other than this also, you can use it. And this butterfly we made in the very first video that I did on the channel, so I'll be providing the link to that. And our magnetic closure treasure box is ready. I haven't pasted any paper or anything on the inside of the box. I can do it later on. So, but you can see how pretty and beautiful this box looks. This box can be used to keep something for keepsake, or it can also be used to gift something to somebody. There's no dearth of gift boxes in the market, but when you make something, it's your very own, and then there is nothing like that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more interesting DIYs for you. Till then, happy crafting!